Welcome to Part 5, Stability of Elements at ppb levels. In trace analysis, especially at the part per billion level, one of the biggest challenges is element stability. At such low concentrations, elements can easily be lost due to adsorption to container walls. Let's understand this. While a 10 ppm copper solution is stable, the same solution at 10 ppb can degrade quickly if stored improperly. The primary route of instability at ppb is adsorption, elements sticking to the walls of the container. This is especially true for metals like Hg, O, and Ag. To reduce these losses, always use LDP bottles acid-leached with HNO3. Adjust solution pH to 2 using nitric acid to improve stability. Avoid using glass or reactive plastics for ppb level storage. A study showed that most elements are stable in LDP bottles for over 1 year, except Hg and O, which degrade in days or hours. Visualizing this helps labs avoid costly mistakes. Remember, what you don't measure can still affect your data. In the next part, we'll explore how environmental and reagent contamination further complicates trace analysis. Like, share, and subscribe for more clear, science-based learning.